Since the judiciary started conducting special sessions of handling sexual gender-based violence cases in 2018, over 2,000 cases have been disposed of in 4 sessions. Among the commonly registered sexual gender-based violence cases include rape, sexual assault, physical assault, forced marriage, denial of resources, opportunities or services, and psychological and emotional abuse. According to the prosecution, sexual gender-based violence are commonly registered in areas of Gulu, Mukono, Mbale, Masaka, Jinja, Mbarara and Tororo. Among the key factors leading to the increased cases of sexual gender-based violence include cultural norms, poverty, and drug abuse, among others.
That young girls are just captured and given to men. So that's one of the things. Regions of Karamoja and Gulu, we find that so many defilement cases, and the people actually say they're not defilement, they are married. But also we are trying, as we handle SGBV, we are looking at, there are some cultural practices that we are also trying to fight.
Due to the sensitivity of these cases, some witnesses at times decline to testify in court, hence delays in prosecution of such cases.
When people get someone arrested and they know that someone is in prison, they don't know that to convict that person, you must come and give evidence in court. Many of those cases where the witnesses fail to turn up are compromised cases. Yeah. Either the perpetrator or the relatives just come and maybe see the mother, and you know, when poverty makes you vulnerable. When I was talking about arresting them, I didn't mean that we take them to prison. No, we just pick them and then bring them to court. And of course, after they have testified, we let them go.
With this background, prosecution has found it hard to compel witnesses to come to court, a challenge that the DPP's office says can be addressed by enactment of the Witness Protection Act.
We are not waiting, sitting and lamenting. We have gone ahead to actually create a department that handles witness protection. We have also gone ahead to get guidelines in place, and I'm thinking that they're doing a good job, because then we identify our witnesses.
Now stakeholders in the fight against sexual gender-based violence are undergoing a training on how to handle these cases. These include police, judicial officials, Director of Public Prosecution Office, and Ministry of Gender.
The special sessions are being undertaken as part of the government of Uganda's obligation under the Maputo and the Kampala Declaration of 2011 to dispose of SGBV cases. The main objective of the project is to test the viability of using a specialized framework to dispose of SGBV cases, but specifically to, 1, test the viability of adjudicating SGBV cases through a specialized court.
This is done as judiciary awaits to handle over 2,000 sexual gender-based violence cases starting 15th August 2021 in 10 high courts and 4 chief magistrate courts in areas of Masaka, Mbarara, Nebbi, Komi, Chitugumu, Rengo, and Nakasongola, among others. Deborah Namamonde, Susan Nabugudde, UBC News.